bust up the mango, yeah. Have a little miss apple, so but do the mango, yeah. Kind of this funny, but we'll cut it off and enjoy the mango same way. This is not a lot. Before me start eat the mango, my mouth I run. One thing with East End mango, it got sweet, you know. That was sweet. You want to catch me, give me mango. You want to catch me, give me East End mango. This is my thing. If we're lucky and blessed to get an East Indian mango this time of year. Thanks to my father. Bless him. I go to the ends of the earth to make sure I get my mango. Bless you. Bless him. God bless him. Mm-hmm. I tell my sister I come again, now I get no mango. Almost every day I eat mango. Almost every single day. I eat East Indian mango. I don't think you understand. I'm obsessed. I'm ask you if you're in this East Indian mango. Where I get that now? Every day I eat a mango. Then bring one little black tough mango come give me. I mean, I eat it now. I don't even know it there. When you say it nice, but I don't care. This more. Let me see that mango, my skin teeth. The breeze, the hurricane breeze blow off the mesh. So that's a fly keep on a come over here. And 9. As we start eat the fly them, but Jesus Christ. You can't do nothing. Jacqueline, what happened? Baby. Fly them my aunt me. Cause the mesh blow off of the veranda. Or balcony. I don't know how to call it. Can't get no flight for come home. Man to go be airport. Them said flight also go tomorrow, so let's see. I come to Jamaica, them say I can't get no East Indian mango. Oh, you just get to him, you know, say I'm there. And I yesterday I hear from my sister them. I hear from my father, because my father live relatively close, so I'm going to look for him and I find him. I'm alright. I know him the alright because we da talk up to the night of the storm. But my sister them know, I talk to my sister them before the storm. And they know after I could hear from them because they don't have no light. Yeah. Girl, me there country. But me get scared. Me get scared so I come to town. Because we never know if like landslide or stuff like that are gonna happen. And tree I'll drop down and light white and all of them something that did happen. So I'm glad me they come down. I mean never have no light for a couple of days now. We never have light for a couple of days. We get light last night. And last night light come? No, we didn't have light last night. Must the night before. So the whole time you see me a post, I don't have no light. I have to go down on my father and charge up and put service on my phone. Okay, which part of the family come from? Where cause some people get some terrible damage, you know. Terribly, you know. I talked to one lady from St. Elizabeth today. Clarendon. Okay. Okay. I see why. Because Clarendon is close to Kingston. Yeah, and once you hear from them, you feel better, right? Once you hear from them, you feel better. Because the whole time you wonder, but I tune a light. So most people, when them not hear from nobody, because them not a light. The electricity. I never afraid for my sister them because I know she never have no light. I know that she not gonna have no light because we used to live up there. And I say go every time storm, you know I get light to 3 days after. So I never really afraid. But me hear from them yesterday. But I'm hungry bad, but I'm not here. Yeah, make it feel better, man. Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, them side, syrup. Hanover, syrup. I got a national this morning and I see one lady and she tell me say she come at Kingston for buy food for carry back down at the National Bakery. She come buy bread and them something there. So no food, no nothing no down there. People carry stuff in the way, you know everybody now get things at the same time. So people can move around and do them thing. I try help out. And it's so nice to see Jamaican come out for people, so you don't know, it's very nice. Everybody around the room. This is a bad part. I like enough people problem. Not like water. Because my father not on water neither. So water is a thing. After the storm, 2 days, when I get a clean water in the pipe, but it clean now. But I never mind, because once you can flush the toilet, well, honestly, I don't complain about nothing. Nothing I not complain about because, as I said, people, I go through so much worse. So much worse. So much. So any little food in this show me I talk about, it even make no sense. Just grateful. I'm grateful someone come down. Because after I left, people send picture and them sitting there to me. Oh, they use tank. Nice. The tank depend on the house and they use pump. When we did their country, them they have tank. But the tank, a pump. So when not light no there, nothing a pump the water. But you know, party not taste good now. But I'm craving. Craving for the mango. I'm tired and exhausted and really want to reach home now. But not too complain. God is good. And the house and the hook up to all the lines in the house. Okay, that set up real good. That nice. That nice. I keep on. Kimoho. But I must say, it's the night before the storm. I have a feeling, I just have a down feeling, my spirit low. I'm standing up and reading that mess, I don't like how I feel, I don't like how I feel. I'm say to somebody, say, I don't feel good enough, I don't feel good, because I think the day of the storm, the wind blow heavy, you know, but we don't know nothing because we not hear nothing because there's no electricity. No, there was electricity, but this outside the local station I set up, so I don't know nothing. But even though I communicate with my family, them nobody can say when at the storm. Like I give you a specific when the storm will come. So it's like you're kind of confused. But when we see the wind blow, and then night a come, I may say to myself, I don't like this, you know. Because when storm come at night, it's not nice because you can't literally see what happen. It's when a day and you look outside and you can see if the water come up close to you, you can say, alright, now we need to go. Or something like that. When at night, you can't see nothing. Sometimes you drop all asleep. I don't know what happens. Some don't like night storm. Somebody kind of feel low that time there. But when we wake up in the morning, we get up about 6 o'clock when the light just come out and I look outside and I say, outside look normal like Kingston, you know, with me there. Normal. I say shit. Hope everybody alright. So I say to myself, you know. So then I not have no light, so I don't know what really I want. But we still do my little video clips. Like when I go outside and take outside and go down at the gully and do all of that same way, but we never have no light. I just take the clippings of them and say in case. You see after light come, girl, and me get to see, use the internet and see all the people them house and something mashed down. I'm just sad. I'm sad. I'm glad to everybody I rally around. Yard and abroad. Everybody. Yard and abroad. People them come right out and that's so nice. That's how we unite. So if you unite and make things happen. And Jamaica, we as Jamaicans, we're stronger than we know, you know, man. We're stronger than we know. But we just fight too much confusion. I still am telling you something turn on my life, but I don't know what about me and YouTube TikTok. I don't know why I'm not get no vibe. Just come. Oh, just come back. I don't know if you have to say me just come back, me if you just come back, or you just come back, but and either way. What may I say now about TikTok now? I don't know why I'm not getting a vibes to come on TikTok. Like, I like to work with my vibes, work with my mood. I don't like to force myself to do nothing. I'm always tell myself say anytime I have a force to do something, I'm not gonna do it. But I don't know what about TikTok I keep me away. I'm just to make it ride out and see how I'm feeling in a couple of days. But for now, I'm just say, I'm just breeze it because maybe through me I say, I don't want it. Okay. Yeah, I just want to get the okay. More come the week I come. This week coming more come up. I need to come up to come. I have class. I have some things to get out of the way. What I have to do. So I need to come. But yeah. But me see what me that said earlier. The thing with TikTok, my always I don't want TikTok consume because TikTok is consuming. I just think that TikTok is a devil playground. I honestly think that. I'm not gonna tell you no why I said that. But If you were a flavor. What that? Oh, me never say no. When you come on to TikTok now, the damn devil playground, I can't even say what more I have to say. You see how the devil is a liar? So, I tell myself I love TikTok in one sense, but in the next sense, I not make it consume me. It's like how some people just depend it and come and can't come up. Enough time I depend on TikTok and I say I go spend 1 hour and end up all depend every 3 hours and them sitting there and I have things to do, you know. I don't want TikTok consume me, so I want to compare all of vibes of the people them and find by myself. I don't want something for consume me. So that's why I kind of break it, because I don't want to get too caught up. But apart from that, I'm good. If I want to cook tomorrow, I'll know I'm not buy nothing. If I cook tomorrow, I forgot enough cook chicken. So I beg my sister them some dinner. I never know that go. Because the last time I beg them some dinner at night before they bring the little food come on me. Now no time for that. I want a night food. I don't want no night food. I want my food. 4 o'clock, me give them till 4 because they have to cook the food and then bring it. But I don't want no food after no 6 o'clock. I know you give me some food too, you know. I go wash my hands and something now. I'm supposed to go port more in a minute. With that beautiful stuff, I'm not about to be coming up on the road all morning. I come in, so we're supposed to relax and go back. But I'll go first and then I'll come home and take a shower. I can't be too much time a day if I nothing to do me. 2 times enough. For I clean up. Let you know what time they are plan for move. Some people like to travel late, you know. I don't like that. I like to go about my business and come off the road. Fly down here, see ma? I'm going to the house. I don't like fly now. I fly walk and pitch my everything. I don't yam still, so I don't feel so bad, but I like fly. Ah! Well, Jacqueline, big up yourself. Glad to hear from you. I not see you, but you are see me. And that's good enough, right? Big up yourself. Up your nice clean stuff. Alright guys, I'm gonna run off the phone. Remember, it takes none to be kind. Oh, we can't stay till a couple more minutes, about 7 more minutes. You don't have mesh at the windows. Yes, there's mesh, but the mesh on this side blow down. See, it's open. So the mesh still at the bottom, and the mesh still there on the side. Eh? I have this one can pull down, you know, but it still can't block nothing. But in the storm, this blow off. And then the mesh, they are the same way. The mesh also, and the window they mesh up. It's just so blow down. And being that it blow down, the fly them are coming. So that alone blow off through the mesh so. I have to carry down the trash because fly, ginger fly. You not like fly. I'm gonna tell you this. You see mice and fly. They see them two sitting there. And since I come down, them I call the Terminator because every summer the mice them return every summer them return. So every summer them have to come at the house. And you cannot do much about it. And it have nothing to do with nasty because I don't leave dirty plates in my kitchen. I don't left trash in my kitchen. So I don't have nothing for all of them. But I think because you have neighbors and trash outside and remember, I know you have people on top of you, people beside of you, people in front of you, all around. So they keep coming back and gnawing. If you have so much sticker they all both in a female house behind the things because as them enter, I want them to get catch. I don't like mice. I don't like flies. But I rather see a roach. I don't like roach either, but I rather see a roach than a mice. And me no know me easy to get roach not hard to get rid of to me. Like them something. Me and fly and roaches and rats. What else that's so near you? It's a Kingston, Clarendon. Alright, later. May I come off in the next 3 minutes? May I just stay till after 30 minutes and then come off. Or not. Me that come off while I look at the system almost at 30 minutes, so why not stay a little longer? So I forgot to set the paper towel down. One more over this. Oh God. Look at that tough. Chocolate not ripe good. No, fit. Put it. I'm a donut there. Let's see a donut. It's weird. Find it. Alright guys, my run off left. Guys, remember it takes nothing to be kind, so spread some kindness and be safe and be blessed. Bye.